The digital age has brought about incredible opportunities for businesses, enabling them to reach global audiences and streamline operations like never before. But it has also created a complex and ever-changing landscape, filled with challenges that can be difficult to navigate without the right tools and strategies. Businesses today face a constant struggle to stay ahead of the competition, adapt to new technologies, and meet the evolving needs of their customers. Reaching the right audience is more challenging than ever, with so many platforms and channels to consider, each requiring a unique approach. Managing multiple marketing channels can be overwhelming, often leading to fragmented efforts and missed opportunities. This is where Onpassive comes in, offering a comprehensive solution to simplify the complexities of digital marketing through advanced AI technology. Onpassive is an AI-driven digital marketing platform that integrates seamlessly with your existing systems to enhance efficiency and effectiveness. It's a game-changer for businesses and individuals alike, providing the tools needed to transform digital marketing efforts and achieve outstanding results. Its suite of tools is designed to automate and optimize every aspect of your digital marketing efforts, from content creation to audience targeting and beyond. Onpassive helps you navigate the digital maze with ease, ensuring that your marketing strategies are always on point and effective. It empowers you to achieve real, sustainable success, driving growth and helping you reach your business goals with confidence. But before we continue, please remember to subscribe, like, and comment below. Thanks. Onpassive stands out from the crowd with its unique approach, setting a new standard in the digital marketing landscape. It leverages the power of artificial intelligence to streamline your marketing efforts, making complex tasks simpler and more efficient. This means less guesswork and more results, allowing you to focus on what truly matters: growing your business. Imagine having a team of experts working tirelessly behind the scenes, optimizing your campaigns, analyzing data, and driving traffic to your business. That's the power of Onpassive's AI-driven technology at your fingertips, providing you with cutting-edge tools to stay ahead of the competition. Onpassive is more than just a platform, it's a comprehensive solution designed to integrate seamlessly with your business operations. It's a complete ecosystem designed to support your growth, offering a suite of tools that work together harmoniously. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, Onpassive provides the tools and resources you need to succeed in the digital age, ensuring you have everything at your disposal. It's a one-stop shop for all your digital marketing needs, bringing together everything you require to thrive in today's competitive market. Let's dive into the heart of Onpassive, its powerful suite of tools. These tools are designed to empower businesses and individuals alike, providing the resources needed to thrive in a digital world. Each tool is meticulously crafted to tackle specific marketing challenges, from data analysis to content creation, ensuring that your marketing efforts are both effective and efficient. Ensuring that every aspect of your online presence is covered, whether it's social media management, SEO optimization, or email marketing, Onpassive has a tool for it. Need to connect with your audience on a personal level? Onpassive's video marketing tools allow you to create engaging content that resonates with your viewers. Onpassive's email marketing tool has got you covered. This tool helps you design and send personalized emails that capture your audience's attention. Craft compelling emails that resonate with your subscribers, boosting engagement and driving conversions. Track your campaign's performance with detailed analytics. And with its AI-powered analytics, you'll gain valuable insights into what works best, allowing you to refine your approach and achieve even better results. These insights help you make data-driven decisions, optimizing your strategies for maximum impact. Section 4. Expanding reach, amplifying impact. One of Onpassive's greatest strengths lies in its ability to amplify your reach through multi-channel marketing. No longer will you be confined to a single platform, struggling to break through the noise. Onpassive empowers you to connect with your target audience across multiple channels, maximizing your visibility and impact. Imagine the possibilities of reaching your ideal customers through social media, email, search engines, and more, all working together in perfect harmony. That's the power of Onpassive's multi-channel approach. It's about breaking down silos and creating a seamless brand experience across all touchpoints. Section 5. Onpassive, a catalyst for change. Onpassive is more than just a business opportunity. It's a movement driven by a deep-seated commitment to social responsibility. Through initiatives like Obless, Onpassive is actively making a difference in the world. Obless focuses on empowering communities and fostering sustainable development, proving that success and social impact can go hand in hand. Onpassive's vision extends beyond financial success. It's about creating a more equitable and sustainable future for all. Join the Onpassive movement today and become part of something bigger than yourself. It's time to unlock your full potential and make a real difference in the world. For more information about Onpassive and making money online, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a great day.